Hello, second graders. We are doing Module 5, Lesson 7 in Math today. We are going to be doing word problems using our cubes checklist that you all know super well how to do to solve subtraction problems. So my word problem says, Mateo had a great day at the market. He started the day with 18 bunches of carrots. At the end of the day, he sold 6. How many bunches does he have left? So first, I need to circle my numbers. I need to underline my question. Box my math words. And I can eliminate the rest. So, we have the numbers 18 and 6. And I know that, oops, I didn't mean to eliminate my question, but oh well. So I have 18 and 6, and my question is, how many does he have left? Have left makes me think that I am doing subtraction. So bigger number on the top, 18 minus 6. I start with my ones, and I can do 8 minus 6. That is 2. And I bring down my 1 because 1 minus 0, because I don't have a tens there, is 1. So my answer is 12 bunches. Next problem says, oh no, the basketballs are missing from the locker room. There was a total of 65 balls, but now there's only 37. How many basketballs are missing? So I start by circling my numbers, underlining the question, boxing my math words. There is only tells me that some were removed. So they started, but now they only have 37. So that tells me that I'm doing subtraction. So I take my bigger number on the top, and that is 65. I'm subtracting 65 minus 37. And to solve this, I start with my ones, and I look at 5 minus 7. I know that I cannot do that, so I have to regroup. You guessed it. So I cross off my 6. That now becomes a 5. I take the 10 that I'm regrouping into my ones, and I add that with the ones that I had. So my ones are now 15 minus 7. 15, so this becomes 15 minus 7, which is 8. I now look into my tens, and I do 5 minus 3, or 50 minus 30, and that gives me 2, or 20. So my answer is 28 balls. 28 balls are missing. My next word problem says, candy, cake, oh my. Kara is having a great time at her party. There are so many balloons. She counted 24 red balloons and 12 blue balloons. How many more red balloons were there than blue balloons? So I start with my circling of my numbers, 24 and 12. I underline my question. I box my math word, many more, and I eliminate the rest. That many more tells me that we are going to be subtracting, because I'm finding how many more red balloons there are than blue balloons. So my bigger number goes on top, so that is 24 minus 12. I start with my ones. 4 minus 2 gives me 2. Go to my tens. 2 minus 1, or 20 minus 10, gives me 1, or 10. And my answer is, there are 12 more red balloons. Red balloons. I believe this is our last word problem for today. It says, Miriam loves to play catch with her puppy. She threw the ball 34 times. Casper caught the ball 9 times. How many times did he drop the ball? So my cubes checklist. Circle my numbers. Underline the question. Box my math words. How many times? And I know that they're asking how many times he dropped the ball. So I know that I need to subtract how many times he caught it from how many times she threw it to tell me how many times he dropped it. So my bigger number goes first, 34 on the top, 9 on the bottom. I start with my ones. 4 minus 9, I can't do that. I cannot take 9 away from 4, so I need to regroup. So I take a 10 away from my 3, that becomes a 2. I add the 10 to my ones, which now makes it 14. So now I'm doing 14 minus 9, which is 5. And I bring my 2 down because there's not a 10 here, so it is 2 minus 0, which makes it 25 times Casper dropped the ball. All right, second graders, that is all I have for you today. I hope this helps. Good luck.